On a tiny island off Thailand's Andaman coast, a crew of divers is bringing precious cargo on board. These are captive-bred bamboo sharks, and they're about to take their first plunge into the wild with marine biologist Kulawit Limchilarat.
We found that around this area has a lot of coral, and this is a perfect place for the bamboo shark because this shark is the reef species.
Freedom for the first time.
The bamboo shark is a small species. They will swim on the bottom. They're not aggressive, and their teeth is not sharp.
Sharks in general may have a bad reputation with humans, but they are essential for their marine habitat, says Limchilarat.
The sharks play the important role in the environmental because they are a predator. They will control the weak prey. The environmental of the coral reef will be stronger.
Bamboo shark numbers have declined in recent years due to fishing practices and habitat destruction, potentially putting reefs like this in jeopardy.
The corals are habitat for a lot of fish. They just like oasis in the desert, just like rainforest. If we not have sharks, the ecology of the reef will be destroyed.
Those juvenile sharks cut their teeth here at the Marine Discovery Center at Sai Phi Island Village.
You see the capsule is moving.
It's part of a holiday resort with a focus on sustainability. These shark embryos come from the Phuket Marine Biology Center. Between 1 and 3 months later, they hatch as baby sharks.
This guy is around just 2 weeks after they hatch.
When they reach 30 centimeters, they're moved to a bigger tank for another 3 months before their release into the ocean. The center is also home to a fish made famous by Disney Pixar animated classic Finding Nemo.
Everyone knows this orange and white clownfish is a Nemo.
These clownfish are bred here and will be released in the wild if local populations are depleted, Limchilarat says.
Do you know how many species of clownfish in Thailand?
Although part of a resort, the Marine Discovery Center is open to the public and dedicated to educating locals and tourists alike on how to take care of the marine environment.
The local community is the one who lives here. They need to know what they have and how important that they have to protect.
By fostering change above and below the ocean, programs like this offer these species and their reef habitat a chance at recovery.
When we release them, we feel like we give something back to nature. If we give them a chance, the Mother Nature can cure themselves.
This is a planet worth protecting. Tell us how you're answering the call with the hashtag #CallToEarth.